Hello, my name is Karan Agarwal and this is my Y100 final project. I would first like to start off by saying that technology and I have come a long way. I think my love for technology all started in elementary school with Microsoft Word and the Word Art feature. I would use the feature many times to create different texts and customize them to my fullest ability and then waste all our paper on printing these great bunches of colorful and font text. My technology addiction in terms of computers went to another level when I was introduced to RuneScape. I would play RuneScape for hours and hours a day. This addiction really took a toll on my computer time when YouTube became more integrated into society. I started making RuneScape videos and finding ways to make my RuneScape player the best it could be. Eventually my RuneScape addiction phased out. I still check up on my character every so often, but my love for technology only grew. By high school I was very familiar with working with different Adobe programs including Photoshop, Premiere, and After Effects. I purchased a customizable gaming computer my sophomore year of high school, and gamed a lot as well did other technology-related things. I think that the big tech moments that really influenced my loving for technology were these different innovations that were introduced to the computer that made it easier to integrate different programs together like YouTube, RuneScape, and Adobe After Effects. There are many things that I have learned about myself during this class. A big thing was after taking the Holland Code test. I learned how I'm the type of person who wants to influence people based off of scientific reasoning. It also tells me about my passion to help people out in any situations, and I can see this through the many different things I am or have been a part of. For instance, I started a club in high school where us high school students would go down to the local middle school every day and tutor the kids. Along with this I volunteered at the Denver Museum of Nature and Science and am currently on the committee for the Indiana University Dance Marathon. This brings me to the career path I want to pursue, which is still up in the air, but is becoming more centered around helping other people out. I want to continue to build my IT toolbox through staying passionate about technology and finding new ways to incorporate technology and influencing people together. I specifically want to build my toolbox through the resources that are given to me at school in terms of internships and talking to other professors about different things I can pursue. I also want to be able to build my IT toolbox through learning more languages in terms of coding. With this I can stand out to recruiters when the time comes for a job, or I can create something wonderful through, say, a website or phone application. In a situation like this I will be in control of my company and feel a sense of accomplishment from creating something that will be controlled and designed to my desire. I feel that building your IT toolbox is very important because these are the things that you will put on your resume to make you stand out in a sea of people and are what you use to develop your personality as a whole. My next steps for my academic career are to start taking more classes around my major and to actually figure out what I want to do with my future. I have spent freshman year exploring different majors and figuring out different things about myself, and I think I finally have an understanding of what I actually want to do. I want to major in SPEA Healthcare Management Policy and minor in Biology, Financial Literacy, and Informatics. I know this seems like a lot, but it will help me learn about all the things I'm very interested in and will also help me be more qualified for jobs in the future. With this I now know to gain experience through internships, join organizations that will help me stand out for recruiters, and overall make sure that I'm excelling academically within school.